If partnerships are your strategy, why isn't partner pipeline predictable? Outbound is failing, costs are rising, results dropping, but pressure remains the same. Growth, numbers, efficiency. That's why companies turn to partnerships, because when they work, they outperform everything. Lower CAC, bigger deals, faster cycles. Any partner type, any model, if they're close to your prospect, they can drive pipeline. But most programs stall. No consistency, no accountability, no reliable production. Because today, partnerships aren't run with sales rigor, and partners don't create revenue. People do. Without activating people, you get poor results. But with structure, clear plays, defined targets, and consistent execution, pipeline becomes predictable, repeatable, and scalable. But how do you get there? Not with theory, with operators, people who've done it before. We build partner-led pipeline with you. Executions handled, noise removed, focus restored, all supported with technology. Relationship maps, clear plans, full visibility, and always-on communications. Integrated, secure, seamless. We don't sell software or services. We sell revenue outcomes. So if partnerships should drive growth, don't ask if they work. Ask if they're being executed with precision, because precision creates predictability, and predictability creates forecastable revenue.